Swift the Thomas fan is here to do another unboxing. The last video had backfired on me because I had already shot a video before this and I couldn't edit it for some reason. So I'm just going to be starting with the thing already opened. Now this one here should be my Thomas and the Treasure, and as you can see, like I said, I had already opened it up. And this, as you can see, the case is right here. So we're gonna pull that out. And looks like it's gonna be fighting me to come out. Come on 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 out. Yeah, boy. I don't know why I said that. I usually don't say talk like that. Thomas and the 251. Hold on a second, guys, while I remove that. Okay, there we go. Wait. Okay. Thomas and the Treasure. Okay, I'll put the light on. That way it's more better to see. Right here is Thomas and the Treasure. I like how it's got that the little treasure thing right there beside Thomas. And right there is the pirate that has been digging for the treasure, or the captain general with Sir Topham Hatt. I don't know how Thomas was the one able to discover the treasure when he was like the one that just followed all the clues and looked at. Well, I mean, he did point out the rock, I think, that was where the treasure was by. And they started digging there. So, yeah, technically, Thomas did find the treasure. And then, it says right here that we got 6 episodes, 2 sing-along songs, and a coloring sheet on the DVD, I guess. Yep. See. Nice. Anchor Bay. There's the spine. Right there. Got a little bit of dirt there, but it don't matter. Let's open this up. A few little scratches. Nothing that this machine up here can't fix. Oh, and also there's my Thomas VHSs right up there. And what the heck is this, I wonder? Yay, pamphlet. Cool. Skarloey the Brave and Duncan's Bluff. I remember those as well. Up there's the coloring sheet it was talking about. Character cube, sing-along songs, strength, and engine roll call. I don't think I've heard strength for a long time. But yep. That right there is my Thomas and the Treasure. I'm just going to put this back in there. And it will be going into the collection up there. As I keep saying, I will do a video once I get my collection good. So, thank you for watching.